tayo. You would really want to know kung magkano to. Ang ganda, no? I am intrigued. 299 pesos ba ang halaga nito? Viral ngayon ang halaga ng engagement ring na 299 pesos. Para kay Miss Anonymous, ang unang message ko sa iyo ay I am validating that whatever you're feeling is good. Nothing is wrong with you asking kung magkano ba o kaya maski na hindi mo sabihin dun sa boyfriend mo na nakita mo yung price, that's your right. I like that nagpapakatotoo ka sa sarili mo. And after all, kahit sino naman makareceive nun, at some point, pag nahimasmasan ka na dun sa excitement na naramdaman mo dun sa pagbigay ng engagement ring, you would really want to know kung magkano to. Magpakatotoo tayo, di ba? Sa mundong ito talaga naman yung value is really important. That's one. I also want to tell you na knowing your self-worth is really important. Kasi kung ngayon hindi mo alam, palalampasin mo lang yung nararamdaman mo, baka hindi mo pa kilala yung sarili mo. And then eventually, baka pag nag-asawa na kayo, kapag binigyan ka lang ng maliliit na bagay, you'll just be happy or your husband might think na okay lang yan, kahit ano naman tatanggapin niya. Is that how you really define yourself? If not, then you better ask. Very important point that I'd like to share with you. Please communicate. Now that I am validating your feeling and that nothing is wrong with it, it's also important that you talk to your soon-to-be husband. Because these things should be settled. Ang tanong nga ay, natuloy kaya yung kasal ninyo? At kung natuloy man yun, saan naman lang talagang napag-usapan ninyo? Who knows? Yung mapapang-asawa mo, hindi talaga niya focus yung mag-invest sa mga jewelries. Perhaps he has a better reason behind it. Like perhaps he could give you another engagement ring. Everything in life can be discussed. I just hope na umabot kayong dalawa sa punto na yon. And for you, once again, Miss Anonymous, I'd like to tell you na you are in the right path of inquiring from within and asking people around you kung masama ba yung nararamdaman mo. Because that's a way for you to really validate how you feel and you should always acknowledge that. After all, ang kinakampay naman natin lagi ay magpakatotoo tayo, be real, and let's all transform. At yun ang ginawa ni Miss Anonymous.